It's 5:30 p.m. The big face-off on Arvind Kejriwal's closest aide being arrested. Ladies and gentlemen, Arvind Kejriwal has successfully dodged the issue once again. We expected him to speak a few minutes back, but he hasn't. Here's the story so far. The first arrest in Assaultgate. Assaultgate, a controversy that's hit the 2024 elections. An incident that happened inside the residence of the Chief Minister. The first arrest this morning. Here's what we know this evening before that big face-off on Versus. Take a look.
Kejriwal's aide Bibhav Kumar has been arrested in the Assaultgate case. The arrest comes a day after Swati Maliwal filed a complaint against the gruesome assault. But the Aam Aadmi Party has gone on an all-out offensive against Swati.
May I just understand that which legal team are you representing? Which legal team? Are you the legal team representing Bibhav Kumar? At least say something, sir. This is something which is important.
ये बेहद निंदनीय है कि भी दिल्ली पुलिस जिस तरीके से गेट बंद किए हुए है, हम लोग लीगल रिकॉर्ड्स के लिए जिस तरीके से बिभव कुमार जी को यहाँ पर लेकर आए हैं, हम लोगों ने मेल भी की थी कि इसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन में पूरी तरीके से हम लोग कोऑपरेट करना चाहते हैं। जहाँ पर भी इसका दूध का दूध पानी का पानी होना चाहिए, लेकिन इस पर पॉलिटिक्स नहीं होनी चाहिए। लेकिन मेरे को लग रहा है कि दिल्ली पुलिस कहीं पॉलिटिकल दबाव में आके जिस तरीके से लॉयर्स को रोक रहे हैं, लीगल जो भी रिकॉर्ड्स है वो हम लोगों के माध्यम से ही लिया जाएगा।
The India Alliance is shielding Kejriwal.
Priyanka, no woman MP safe in India Alliance.
चलिए
Priyanka, no woman MP safe. Priyanka, will you
गाड़ी में बैठ
Kejriwal? Priyanka, will you
अरे चलिए मैम।
Priyanka, why are you not questioning? Priyanka, why are you not answering? Priyanka, will you stand right for Kejriwal who is shielding an assaulter?
The BJP has leveled serious charges against Kejriwal.
विभाग ने जिस गुंडागर्दी से स्वाति मालीवाल के साथ मारपीट की है और आश्चर्यजनक ये है कि उसकी गिरफ्तारी मुख्यमंत्री आवास के अंदर होती है, तो सीधा सीधा संदेश है दिल्ली की जनता को कि अरविंद केजरीवाल मुख्यमंत्री का निवास अब गुंडों की शरण स्थली बन चुका है।
आधुनिक काल में द्रौपदी के साथ न केवल चीरहरण होता है बल्कि उनके साथ चरित्र हरण भी किया जाता है, और इस आधुनिक काल के चीरहरण में एक दुशासन भी है जो थोड़ा सा एक्सेप्टेंस भी किया था, जिसमें कहा था हम सख्त कार्रवाई करेंगे। उसका कोई मतलब नहीं था। पूरा ब्रेजन डिफेंस किया जा रहा था इस व्यक्ति का जिसने आधुनिक काल के चीरहरण को अंजाम दिया।
While Kejriwal continues to hide behind his India allies, will Bibhav's arrest open the Pandora's box?
Shaina NC of the BJP joining us on the Versus face-off this evening, along with Ravi Srivastava, who leans towards the Aam Aadmi Party. Shaina, we expected Arvind Kejriwal to say a word, at least a word, use the word assault, mention Bibhav, talk about attack that happened inside his house. He could have said anything. Instead, he said something to the tune of the Modi government wants to stop free electricity scheme in Delhi. Or something to that effect, and I think that's where we knew that this was not going to go anywhere.
Yes. Let me start by saying that if any woman is assaulted, molested, even if it's basic chhedkhani or it is a more serious offense, and if it takes place at the Chief Minister's house, I don't understand why Mr. Arvind Kejriwal is silent. Why does he always try to play this victim card? Why does he not respond? And this deafening silence tells you that this party does not respect women. Swati Maliwal has been the president of the Delhi Women's Commission, has been in the Rajya Sabha as a member of parliament, and in this so-called assault, you were first resisting even registering an FIR. After it was registered, you tried to suggest that Bharatiya Janata Party has something to do with this. This is the best way of whataboutery and deafening silence where you try to put the onus on somebody else. You have chosen not to speak. You have chosen not to respect women. You have chosen not to take up for her dignity. And I want to understand, is there a reason to dodge questions? Is there a reason to have this kind of a double speak where you say one thing and you do the opposite? Bibhav has been arrested based on the facts of the case, and the deafening silence of the chief minister is something that we need to have a reaction on. We need to have a reply as to why this Bhrasht Aadmi party, which calls itself Aam Aadmi Party, has not kept up to the respect of women in society and women in public life per se.
Yeah, and what's with this drama also, Ravi Srivastava, that I will walk with all my leaders, all my MPs, all my MLAs. I'll walk, to the BJP headquarters, let them arrest who they want. I don't know who else is left who's either not on bail or hasn't been arrested yet. I think that leaves Atishi, Saurabh Bharadwaj. I can't think of anyone else. But what is with this? I mean, you have a liquor scam where the Aam Aadmi Party has been named accused. You have Hawala route that has been traced and mentioned in the Supreme Court of India. You have the Hawala operators named, for which people have been arrested from his own party, including himself. He's the main accused in the liquor scam. What is this drama about they want to arrest us, they want to finish us off, we won't be finished? Well, you're caught red-handed in a scam, you're arrested in a scam, you're on interim bail in a scam, and you have to go back to Tihar in a scam. So why the big drama, Ravi Srivastava?
He's chosen not to hear you. May I respond?
Yes, okay, go ahead.
You know
go
what
ahead.
the Aam Aadmi Party does best? I have noticed time and again, you take the Liquorgate scam even, where you have evidence of a money trail, evidence of how your party has been supported in the Goa elections, the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, etc., the not cooperating with the Enforcement Directorate. It is clear that the Aam Aadmi Party only plays theatrics, optics, and is only playing this victim card time and again. One has seen in the Swati Maliwal case even, why has the chief minister and the leader of her party not even spoken? Is this some small issue where you choose to have an assault and then choose to have pin drop silence? And then try to get into this whataboutery to say that, oh, Bharatiya Janata Party has something to do with it, when we have absolutely nothing. Our Prime Minister has always respected women and has wanted women to be safe, secure, and in the space of public service, not worried about what the outcome is going to be, because you need to have the conviction to read exactly our stand.
Okay, I'll try and get back Ravi Srivastava. Shaina, stay with me. I want to play out that soundbite of Arvind Kejriwal. If we have that soundbite of Arvind Kejriwal, I request our producers to play that. Let me just summarize what Arvind Kejriwal said so that we get some time to just play that soundbite. Arvind Kejriwal, ladies and gentlemen, we were told at 5 p.m. this evening, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal would hold a news conference on Assaultgate. We were told that, okay, Ravi Srivastava is back. Let me go across to Ravi Srivastava. Ravi Srivastava, why this drama? Why couldn't he just say a word? Say a word on the allegations. The allegations are serious. The allegations are that his own personal assistant assaulted Swati Maliwal. You can have a different version on it. But why duck it? Why not say a word on it?
Niranjan, good evening. First of all, let me tell the co-panelists that I am very well hearing now and I can respond. And I never chose not to respond, and I am not that kind of a coward who will run away. So she should not respond, and she should not smile on. She should not smile on it. Okay? So that's what I want to tell you. Yeah. Now, anyway, why he has chosen not to speak? Where is there to speak? He has said you want to arrest everybody. We'll come to your house. We'll come to BJP headquarters tomorrow. All workers, MPs, MLAs, Arvind Kejriwal himself, they will surrender themselves to the BJP headquarters to arrest them. Why to do it the installment? Why to take one time Sisodia, then Bhupendra Jain, then Vibhav Kumar, then he mentioned Vibhav Kumar as well. Then take your planning for Raghav Chadda. As far as Swati Maliwal is concerned, I think 2 videos explain more than enough. It is everything is crystal clear now. Let the trial be there. Let the investigation be there. The truth will come out. You can see her on the second video. She is comfortably walking out with the security personnel, the lady security personnel, and she is going to her home, which is in the civil line. So where is the assault? You keep writing assault gate, rape, slap gate, this gate, that gate. That does not make any difference. I think if investigation is going on and Delhi police is supposed to do an honest and a neutral job, let them do it. The facts will come out.
No, but I mean, what are you trying to surrender for? I mean, you can't just go to the BJP headquarters and say, okay, hey, here I am, let me surrender. Why do you have to surrender? He's already arrested. Kejriwal is arrested on bail. Sanjay Singh is arrested, he's on bail. They have to go back to Tihar. Why this drama of surrender?
Crush the Aam Aadmi Party and they are taking installment. So take somebody 2 years before, take somebody 1.5 years before, take somebody 6 months before, take somebody 8 hours before, just like that. So why so much of effort? Take all the lot together and fix them if you want to do it. So why you are harassing unnecessarily with jail ka khel and all these things? Swati Maliwal, you are trying to fix her. The BJP is trying to fix her. You know, this is a recent love and affection came up for Swati Maliwal. Where were these BJP people when they were dragging her on the Jantar Mantar when she was protesting for the wrestlers? Where were they when she went to Manipur and they stopped her visit even going to over there? Where were they? No, they have been cursing and abusing Swati Maliwal all the way. But today they have become very affectionate to her.
And where are you?
One minute, sir. One minute. Last time, 10 seconds.
Ravi Srivastava, where are you and where is your party? Where are you and where is your party when she's made serious allegations?
They are filing a case for DCW contractual recruitment and they want to harass, they want to fix Kejriwal via Swati Maliwal. This is what is happening.
Okay, I'll get Shaina to respond. Yes, Shaina.
You know, this is a typical case of Cheer Haran. You talk about Swati Maliwal and BJP needing to take up for her. BJP doesn't need to take up for her at all. It's about women's dignity. And if a woman was not even allowed to register an FIR, maybe you should do a little bit of soul searching. If atmosphere at work or atmosphere in a party office is not conducive and if somebody is assaulted, molested, is it not an area of concern? You go into this whataboutery to say, oh, we will come to the BJP office. What will you come there and do? I mean, this is not BJP versus anybody. This is about women's dignity and security. And if the AAP party and, certain people in the space of public service like Mr. Kejriwal choose to have this momvrat and choose not to speak, it shows you they are only trying to play a victim card. Do understand.
Can I respond, Niranjan?
Can I just finish? Sir?
Yeah.
Sir,
Please
you know,
finish.
you've
No
tried
issue.
to,
You've
not for 1 minute spoken about the deafening silence of the elected chief minister. And if you have a case such as this, where a woman is compromised for whatever reason, should there not be a thorough investigation? You have to be willing to cooperate with a probe. What the problem with Mr. Kejriwal is, whether it's the liquor gate or any other case, he believes he is above the law. He believes that investigation will only be as per his convenience and not in accordance with law. Who gives you this kind of political insulation? And please remember, you are out only on temporary bail because the facts of the case are in the public domain of how corrupt this Bhrasht Aadmi party is. So let us not get into, deflecting from the core issue. The core issue is there has been an assault. There is an investigation which is due. The Delhi police wants a comment. The citizens of India wants a comment. And if there is this certain kind of conspiracy theory that the Aam Aadmi party is playing, I would only want to say, please, sir, you have been exposed time and again. The voters of India will respond. And on the 4th of June, you will come to know how disappointed they are in this so-called narrative of trying to be the epitome of honesty when you are nothing but the epitome of corrupt practices, be it in your money cases or even in the case of
I think the monologue has become too long. Can I respond now, Niranjan?
No, you can.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you very much. I think the BJP is the last party, and least they have to talk about the women dignity. They are the people who have paraded the Kargil hero's wife naked in Manipur, and the Honorable Prime Minister did not care to speak for full 1 year. Even after that, he is silent. They should better talk about their own ally partner, the JDS, Prajwal Revanna, who has got a pen drive of
Yeah, yeah.
2,900.
No,
Please,
one
sir.
second. I know a little bit about that case. Ravi,
Niranjan,
I know about that
please.
case.
This
I know
is
about
not
that case.
fair.
Can I ask
This
that
is
question?
not
Wait, no, let
fair.
me ask her.
You
Let
give
me
the
ask
other
her.
person so much
Arey
of
Baba,
time. For
Ravi
me, you are
Srivastava.
interjecting. Why?
Oh, Ravi Srivastava, I want to ask her that question on your behalf because I know that story.
Oh, thank you very much. Please.
No. One sec. Hold on.
Then ask about
Wait.
Kuldeep Sengar, Ram Rahim,
Oh.
Asaram Bapu,
Arey
Anand
baap re
Bose,
baap.
the governor of
1
West
minute.
Bengal,
Let me ask
then
that
Bharat
question.
Bhushan
No,
Sharan Singh,
okay,
all
let me ask
questions.
her.
Chinmay
Will you give me
Anand, you ask all that. Ask the question you ask her. Please.
Can I frame my
Don't leave
question?
her.
First of all,
Don't leave her
I
and
will
don't
not. I
allow
will.
her to run away.
I will not.
She's putting
One second,
herself
listen.
on a high
1 minute,
moral
hear me
ground.
out.
Then
Hear me
to
out.
ask
Hear me
questions
out.
on all that.
Oh, Ravi Srivastava, hear me out. Hear me out. First of all, there are no 2,500 videos. Nobody on record has said 2,500 videos. There are many videos. Ravi Srivastava, because we run Republic Kannada, I know in detail what is happening on that story. Okay? And let me also tell you, while I'm going to ask her that question.
The exact number is 2976, which is in the public domain.
2976. I don't know what.
If you are running the SIT, I do not know.
Show me.
If you might be running the SIT, I do not know. But I have
Show me
got
a
this in
document.
the public
Show me
domain.
a document. Show me a document where the SIT says 2,976. But Shaina, that said, Shaina, that said, I
Yes.
want to know from you, where is Prajwal Revanna? Where is Prajwal Revanna, that Sikh man who's a sitting MP, right? Who's contested on
Yes.
an NDA ticket. It's good to fight for Swati
Yes.
Maliwal and you should, right?
Yes.
Where is Prajwal Revanna? Please tell us, where is Prajwal Revanna?
First, let me please say on record, Prajwal Revanna is a psychopath. Whether it is our Honorable Home Minister
Where
or the Prime
is he?
Minister, we have all
He's
said he
asking
needs
the
to be
question, where
suspended.
is he?
Nobody is
He's not saying
insulating
what
him,
is he.
sir.
He's asking where is
Nobody
he?
is interested in insulating
Please
him.
understand
When
the
this
question and
complaint
respond.
came,
He
what
never
was the
said what is
Congress
he.
party
He's
doing?
asking where is
law
he?
and order not a state subject? What were
Where
they
is he?
doing in Karnataka when they knew about this pen drive? Did the Congress party take action?
No,
They chose
Madam,
not
Pradhan
to.
Mantri was
We have
putting
gone
his
on record
hand on
saying
her
that he is an
shoulders.
absolute
He was
psychopath,
begging for the
needs to
votes
be
for him,
suspended,
madam. He was
irrespective.
begging for
Have
the
the
votes
courage
for
of
him.
conviction to speak up the way we speak, sir. We have
in
not
public
ducked the
rally,
question.
he was asking
we are
votes
not
for him,
bothered
madam.
to duck the
Prime
question.
Minister.
You are only doing this whataboutery to get out of
No,
the
this is a
absolute
whataboutery.
sins of
This is
the
a
party.
whataboutery.
And
This is
and
you
Mr.
say Padip is also a
Revanna
whataboutery.
is not a member of
Kuldeep
the
Sengar
Bharatiya
is also
Janata
a whataboutery.
Party.
No, let me
He
tell
is
you
a
what-
member
Kajwa is
of
also
a
a
party
whataboutery.
which
I'll tell you the
needs
twist
to
in that story,
Respond,
Shaina.
madam, respond.
Shaina and
Admit
Ravi,
that
Ravi,
you
pull
are
back.
a party
Ravi,
of
pull
the
back. Ravi, pull
rapist.
back. Ravi, pull
You are
back.
a
I have another
party of the
question.
rapist.
I have
Please
another question.
admit
I have
it
another
today.
question. I have another question. There
Yeah.
is a video that has come out. See, there is a person called Devraj A. Gowda who's been arrested in the Prajwal case. Okay. Now he has said that four ministers contacted him as part of an operation to ensure that Kumaraswamy was
Yeah.
named, ensure that names were taken, and he said they offered him 100 crore. He said this while in custody. Okay, and it's not the first time. He even gave us an interview just before he was arrested, and he spoke about how ministers had tried to approach him and fix this entire issue. If people had the tapes for 6 months and your government is in power, that is the Indi government, Congress party is in power in Karnataka, why did they wait for 6 months, Ravi Srivastava? If they were so worried about, if you're worried about women's safety and honor of women, why did the Congress government wait for 6 months? Till the day of the election. It was released exactly 12 hours before the election. Can you please tell me, Ravi Srivastava?
Is not released by the Congress. Your allegation is wrong altogether. This is not released by the Congress. Now, whatever is happening, let Devaraja give it to the SIT. I think SIT arrested him. Now let him give whatever he wants to say, 100 crore, 50 crore or NEFT or Paytm, whatever it is, let him tell it to the SIT. SIT will take that decision. I am asking why the diplomatic passport of Prajwal Revanna has not been cancelled till now. Why Mr. Modi is trying to save him till the 1st of June, till the last vote is called in this election. This is what your
Utter
connivance.
nonsense.
The civil aviation is
Utter
yours.
nonsense.
Airport is yours.
We have said on
Passport is
record
yours.
that he should be
Visa is
suspended.
yours. But you are
We have
deliberately
said on
protecting him.
record he should be
Protecting him.
suspended. Utter
No government
nonsense.
is
We have
protecting
said
him.
on record he should be suspended. This
You never-
man is a psychopath, and a psychopath who has tarnished the image of not just his own party but of mankind.
Showing a ticket,
This
air
is
ticket,
a man.
returned air ticket
This is a
from
male
Frankfurt to
misogynistic
Bangalore.
pervert.
I don't know
who
where that
needs help
the ticket
and
has
who
gone, where
needs
the
to be
person has
punished
gone.
for all
Ask
his
a question to
wrongdoing.
her, she will tell.
Why
He is a
you
psychopath, he is a
ducking the
rapist,
question?
he is this, he is
Why
that.
are you ducking
But she
the
will not
question?
tell you where is
Why
he.
is I don't have anything to
Let us
hide.
tell
He is
where
not
is
a
he.
member of the Bharatiya Janata
Tell her
Party.
where is he.
Mera battery. We have said, sir, we have said clearly, Mr.
You have not
Prajwal
said anything,
Revanna
madam.
is a
You have not said
psychopath.
anything, neither you
He
nor your
is
party.
a psychopath.
Nobody has
He
said anything.
needs to be suspended, and we
Nobody
are
has
very
said
clear
anything.
he's not a member of our party. This is the male misogynistic mindset. Maybe the Congress party should answer.
No,
One
but
year,
I'll
why
tell you,
it
Ravi
was sitting
Srivastava
on a
must
pen
also
drive
ask
is
himself,
bad news.
as we come to
Is
the
it
end of
law
this
and
debate,
order
Shaina.
a state subject, Niranjan?
It is, it is,
Shouldn't the
it is,
Karnataka
it is,
Congress
it
government have
is.
responded?
No, there
They
are
did
5
not
things they could have
respond.
done.
Why?
No, we have also
Mani-
broken yesterday.
Manipur
Let me
was
tell you,
a
we've
double
also broken
government.
yesterday.
Manipur
No,
was
Ravi
a double
Srivastava
engine.
can come
What
on
happened
debates.
there?
You know, it's very nice. Ravi Srivastava can come on debates and say this could have been done, that is done. Where is Prajwal Revanna? And I'm also asking where is Prajwal Revanna. But there are 5 things the state government could have done in the case of Prajwal Revanna to bring him back, but they have not. They're very smart. It is called political fixing, okay? I will tell you more about that, but this debate is not about Prajwal Revanna. I want to ask Ravi Srivastava. Ravi Srivastava, at the end of the debate, I want to ask you a question. If a Swati Maliwal, who has been with, the Aam Aadmi Party for nearly 2 decades, I'm told, with the movement of the Aam Aadmi Party and then as a leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, etc. I don't know if she could be right, wrong. But if someone like her was to, let's say, take the line that she has taken and attack Kejriwal openly, then I think the time has come for people like you to also introspect and ask yourselves why it's come to this.
Aam Aadmi Party
And
is
maybe
only
you should
12 years.
comment on the male
1 minute, madam.
misogynistic
Question is
mindset.
Question is to be, and I have heard it clearly. Okay?
Okay.
Allow me to respond. The party Aam Aadmi Party
Quickly,
is
30
only
seconds.
12
I'm running out of time.
12 years old. It is not a 20-year-old party. They have
It was a
been
movement
working
before
together
that,
in
no.
the PCRF.
It was a movement before that, no.
Parivartan, RTI and all that. They, Vibhav Kumar and Mr. Kejriwal, they were working together. Now that there are no differences, that is what I am saying. She came, she broke the security,
Okay, I've run out of
barged
time.
in, she went inside.
I've
the
run out
case
of
is
time.
there. Now the
I've run out of time. We'll speak again. We'll
Let us
speak again.
send this
Shaina and Ravi Srivastava,
on
thank you
the
for joining
male-
us. I've completely run out of
male
time. I've overshot my time now.
mindset of-
Thank you very much. We'll speak again.